Hi, I'm Kate Shumaker, the Family and Consumer Sciences Educator at the Ohio State University Extension Office in Holmes County. And this is your quick guide on how to best select, store, and serve Ohio berries. Selection. Choose berries that are firm, plump, and bright in color. Fruit should be ripe when picked to have good flavor, texture, and storing ability. Dull color or soft, juicy texture hint that the fruit may be older. Look for stains on containers which indicate crushed or bruised fruit. Storage. Handle fruit gently, as bruising shortens the shelf life and contributes to low quality. Sort before storing to remove bruised and damaged fruit. Store loosely in a shallow container to allow air circulation and prevent crushing. Do not wash before storage. Berries should be refrigerated immediately in the crisper drawer of the refrigerator. Blackberries and raspberries can be stored 1 to 2 days in the refrigerator, while blueberries can be stored for about 3 to 5 days. When it comes to serving, rinse berries in cold water before eating or adding to a recipe. Berries can be eaten alone, with other fruit, used as toppings, or in baked goods.